Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speak in the whole world is your host with the most upper. Thank you, siyabonga bafethu njengenjwayelo. Hayi, ama-subscribers ngiyabona niyangena ngifuna ukukhuluma amanga. Lakena bafethu kuyabona. Wabona. And it is very important because podcast ke tshelo kare ke family. Le gona we shebella le family because the main purpose of it is to teach, especially young boys and girls bafethu. Re tshwere mathata ka bana they don't listen seemingly like that, they don't listen and ba re utlwisa bohloko and ba ikenya di-problemeng. Why? Because rona re le batswadi most of the time ha re sa kgona ho bua le bona. There's a distance between children and parents, and which is critical because in between here ho kena ntho tse re sa di rateng bafethu. In that gap between children and parents ho kena ntho re sa e rateng. Remember kaofela rona re ne re le bana at some point. I'm talking about you parent. You were a child at some point. A ko nahane fela ntho tsene di utlwisa bohloko. O sa batle ha di etswa ke batswadi ba hao. Yet today or mbongo baba wangisiza. Kube bekangekho hard to me as I thought. Kuba ngekho la ngikhona. Hona le batho ba bangata ba tshonjwalo bafethu. But mama hankebe a se discipline the way nane ke nana wang abuse and cleanisa and Roma wabon and sharper at times wabon. But today you can happily say mbongo mzali wami wabon. So just think about your kids now. Ona le mobile tsa ndi favor wena wabon o ba etsa di favor o tshaba o kwatisa ngwana. Because when as a parent, you know what is right and what is wrong. You know. Mara, or you let it slide. Sometimes batswadi ba bang ba batla ho prove a point ya hore I love my kids. You don't have to prove anything. You don't. Ha o qala o ba le ngwana lefatsheng, you automatically love them that much. And we know. Trust me, we know. Ke a bona le batswadi ba bangata mo social media, they try to prove a point or maybe to quarter some people. Ka bana ba bona. I see you, mama. I'll post hore o hlaisa ngwana wa hao o monyane wa 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11 years. Apere uniform or apere nice. E bo hlaisa voice reng I love my child. This is my world. Wabona. Aba ka mo kidnapper.
The world is gone.
La hopola bafethu trend ya situation right now. There was that trend.
Yes.
Situation right now. Kante ha o situation right now. Batho ba ya hahao.
Yes.
Kanako ye, we are letting them know. So let's protect our kids that much. Re ska ra prove a point hobane at the end of the day re qetella re etsa diphoso re sa bone. O rekela ngwana ntho tse turang o ntso tseba hore ha ona hahao wena. 3/4 of that money ya take ngebe o e budgeta hore in future o tlo paya ntlo o re o siya ngwano ha bona. Ska me tsa di favor tse senang nqonda o sa afford. Wabona o tlo manipulate ke ngwana are mfuna ukufana nabanye abantwana bana o tshwana le bona already baby boy o tshwana le bona kapa o bua ka tse banang le tsona. Come on wa khala wena. You are weak mfana ka ona ana jwalo. Ha o bona chomi ya o ya para Adidas ba mo praise ka Adidas ke le sela ke teke e tlo fela and then ho praise wa eng hape wa bona. So now ba bangata re khawathile life ya rena re le banyane ha se re hola ra itshola hobane no one said you're gonna die my boy. No one promised you to die. God gave us life. Ke gona bana re nana re tlo shwa ke re mena no mangafa I mean, I don't care. Mina ngisabokufa mina. Nako ngisaphila. I'm left with regrets. Or I wish I could have done better this year and that year. And le rona batswadi ga tseba mo re petileng teng ba fetho. Wa bona? La tseba he ke mo ka ma 26. Ke batla re protecteng bana ba rona by fire, by force. Ngwana ha o tla joina bo 26 ba fetho. Ibile tsona ke nomoro e famous.
Yes.
Wosh not. Number 2, le batswadi ka tlung. Ke a tseba se ba bitsa bo di sim 1, sim 2. Wa bona? Yeah, but ke number 2, number 1, wa bona? Yeah, ntho tseo re di normalize until le batswadi se ba di tlwaela.
Yes.
Wa bona? Hobane le bona ba tswa tronkong ba pata.
Yeah.
Wa bona le so se ba tlwaetse reng a se ba enka ile normal. Wa bona? Chaisa. Hosh. Hi mama, ke letsa number 1. Wa bona? Ba fetho hona le memoya e 2 ke moya o motle ke moya o mobe. Ngwana ntsa bua ntho tseo tsa moya o mobe ba so little by little e mo hulela da ntho eo. Wa bona ha o bona ngwana ke ntse sport se so a tsama wena re o itshireletsa letsatsi le yena wa o jwetsa ha e kenywe jwalo ko katiba e kenywa ke batho ba dodgy most of the time.
Yes.
A ke re ra tseba. So ha ngwana etsa ntho tse nyanyana tse associated le ntho tse mpe e bo enka nyana hore o bo stoutu bo bontwana ke na le utlwa ha ona bo stoutu bo bontwana. It's just that children, they don't understand. We must teach them at all times from sub A until standard 10. Ska batla o tlo ruta ngwana ka standard 6 go wa mo ruta. Wa bona o bana tsa tlo khutla ka tsona strateng nefo di rate. So ba fetho ma 26 ba fetho ke batho ba maka. Ona le puo e ke ratang ho e bua ba re ba thathe kabete le ndlela ba le phonsa phezulu le boya phansi go bukhasikhasi be diamond. Wa bona? Come on ba fetho. O etsa jwang ntwe? O ka nka a mudstone and throw it up. When it comes back it's turned to diamond. O kila bona kae ntwe? It can be. Wa bona? Ba bolela hore they do something out of nothing.
Yes.
Because bona ba dila ka tšhelete ma 26 ba dila ka tšhelete se ba le tronkong ha ba le kantle ba hloleha ha ba re ba dila ka tšhelete. Batho ba dilang ka tšhelete ba na le di business a kere. Batho ba dilang ka tšhelete a kere mfetho ba mosebetsing mfetho jineng le song mfetho ke batho ba dilang ka tšhelete. So bona ba re ba dila ka tšhelete kante ba re ba dila ka ho nkela batho tšhelete. Ha o bone ba ipitsa maropane and stuff.
Yes.
Wa bona sithakaselo sa bona maropane ba ropa. Kopa utlwe ntho eo mama ba ropa. Wa bona? So just imagine ngwana how highly involved a motse 26 mo. Wa bona? And ke o ska lebala ke dula ke bua ke re this guys bana le flag ya bona e white and red. Imhlophe no moqobofu. That means hore ba tla ka tse mhlophe ke ha ba o jwetsa maka ba re ba santsane ba bua ka peace le wena ha ba re ba tla ka tse mhlophe hobane flag ya bona e tletse ka white. Wa bona? Kante ha o ka shebisisa that flag e na le bo creamnyana.
No, it's not really pure.
It's not really pure white because ba bua ka go ba tlo shashaya.
Yes.
Ba tlo jwetsa leshano bazokutshela manga ngemali yakho. And then how come upaka ro bua maka? That's when that red line is sebetsang. Madi. Batila ka ba tshwara dithipa batho ba. Wa bona? Bo di drugs ke mmuso wa bona. O sign up ile ke mmuso wa hae di drugs. Le tšhelete. E bathong ba bang e senya bona. E bathong ba bang. Wa bona? So ke batla batswadi ba understand hence ke bua so hore o tla emela na ntho e ngwana ha wa le jwalo. Because as long as you're not 26 wena it is easy to be a victim. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you are his uncle, whether o le time la hae, whether o mang ha ona taba ro mang. Hobane ha ona e yanang le yona. Aga fela o fa khona wena. Wena o impatha wena. But o impatha ubhari usixhela uboni umuntu kababa like not like umuntu kaGod abasho kanjalo
Yes, yes.
mabathi umuntu kababa kusho ukuthi you have no one
Yes.
abari umuntu kababa it's vice versa they say you have no one
You are lost.
yeah bafethu those people le bona bana le di mendlela hence ba o jwetsa hore o sema gateini ubani wesibili ubani wokuqala wa ibona ntwe e buela go simply tse ka di gangsters tse ding kaofela o sign ukuthi ucontrol yenye indoda bafethu wonke lamaphathi lama gang o sign up ukuthi ucontrol yenye indoda irrespective of experiences zakhe or lazalwa khona lezo zinto azibhekwa lezo yabona but kuya ngamamendlelo wakho zokucontrol usign up naleyo nto wena lokho busy uqabanga ukuthi umntana wakho uyaphuma mama kanti number seyiphumile umntana wakho ufuna angithi uyamazi uyaspeeda uyaphapha uthanda izinto naleyo uzothanda izinto uyabona uzofuna imendlele naye inombolo iphume bamnika umese ahambe ayogwaza ene awugwazi noma ubani mawufuna imendlele le imendlele lezi azitholwa kunoma ubani mawugwaze ibhantinti elinye no awuthola amamendlela kanjalo amamendlela usuwathola amagwazi iphoyisa ngoba amamendlela asemaphoyiseni akere ke bona bo general bo lieutenant bo mama bonese so onkatsa ona tseo o di tlisa mo wena ha ka mo bolaya ba bangata ba bolaile ba fethu ba kene ba etsa 3 years tronko mme wa haya bashwa papa haya bashwa bana ba bona ba bashwa kaofela ntlo ya ba ya salaliwa ne ba jwa ke government e be le hona tswang a le kana le apa a etsa 50 years ha tsebe next ka montle ka lebaka la dimendlela tsa dinkileng tronko ene ka montsha tsuba di thethefatsi because they have to smoke ke mmuso wa bona ke re ke shelo umbuso wabo lento you have to smoke ka mo ntse mokhawatsha physically because the drugs are di ka gona o ke mmuso wa ka ba mmuso wa ho re ke di drugs mfowethu ba feature na haneng ke cooperative bana ba rona baby boy xa banga ntwana yami umbuso wakho se wa ma drugs hayi ukwathengisa okuwabhema umbuso wakho come on bafethu uye ukudla uthi ukudla kwama big 5 uyangithola wena concentrate kubeni kumele uhlale udakiwe ngoba lento ikunika iplug yokuthi ugwaze
My boys.
yeah ugwaze uzophuma wenza 100 ngeke usaphume tshela uzoya ebhongweni mfana nyezwa abantu bakhuluma ngejele hey bakhuluma ngane uyabona ebhongweni I know ebhongweni ngendlela yokuthi ama single cells and ngihleli single cells mina for 2 years almost 2 years enhleke of my sentence even noma sengizophuma ngihlele leyo 9 months yonke ekhulukudu but mina it was voluntarily yeah yabona bengifuna ukclear ingqondo yami kahle ngoba ngithukile staff yabona so ebhongweni ama single cells hayi baba uyabona ngihlele kanjani ngihlele embedeni mangenza kanje ngibamba i-toilet yami nebase yami yokuphuza amanzi mangilula inyawo ngivinjwa ibonda manje indlu yami ephelela lapho e-toilet uyolala e-toilet intwana yami uyeka i-double bed eyothengele umamakho uyolala e-toilet uphinde ukhale wena ukhala ngama-right but uthatha ama-right wabanye abantu khumbula ukuthi uma uthatha i-right yomunye umuntu uthathane yakho at the same time uyibheka phansi mina ngi-understand ukuthi sikhala ngama-right singama prisoner yes sinama-right bakunika i-right basic right you eat you sleep you wa-apara wabona wa-exercise awubatlang ubatlang more than that wabona so bafethu nomoro e tla ba demonic hobane la bona le lona ra ingola ke yeah ene ha o ka re wa entsha o re wena o tshigela nomoro o sa batla bafethu ngene nge mistake lana in a papa a ke re ba itsa ona ke itaotsa o tlo ntjengwe ba kenya engwe hape ene o entsha fela o entsha bohloko ke ga o entse ka machine e serious again o tlo entsha o kwatila bohloko ba bangata ba tshela plastic mo my brother in their flesh ba itshela ka plastic hot plastic wa utlwa my brother tshwara nama intsha ke re tlo hlaisa slotanyana o gobole it's all pain bafethu ba tlo kenya engwe he and then ba tlo punisha for that what if ba punisha ba rollo hlaba head of prison ba bang ba hlabile batho ka lebaka la di punishment a punishwa ke thaka hae a punishwa ke motho nang bamba ka montle plus batho ba ba shapang dinomoro most nna mone ke panti tateng he e tsartene plazini most yabantu lapho beng babonile phakathi kwekambo nekambo ilaba ngaphandle ongabona ukuthi lo akana life lo isibotho lo sishala amakhathuni lo yathunywa lo mara makafika lapha yana ejele uyagunda makaqeda ungena eshower makaphuma la niqoke ngokufana nonke ninto eyi-1 uzombona kanjani ukuthi isibotho ene wena ntwana yami umama wakho kufunela ilife wena but une life ngaphandle yabo so inomboro bafethu hayi ene labantu laba banama alliance ye 28 ama 26 mabalwa la ama 28 angathi bayakutshela abantu bahlangana ngo7 6 7 8 because this 7 inumber ebayisabayo nabo bayazi yeah nabo bayayisaba self umuntu onjalo umuntu obulalayo phela 27 yeah if you have a clash or inomboro ephumile ngezinye indlela you're gonna die that's only that and wonke amakampu bafethu banama punishment angithi ngoba kunama lawyer lapha kunama judge lapha bazokujaja ntwana yami awusajaja umama wakho manje uyabona awusajaja umama wakho manje awusajaja uncle yakho angithi walili uncle lakho lekujaja wena wamtshela ukuthi awusoba bakho lapha yana uzothola amajaji abakutshela ukuthi uguilty wena ene wonke lamaphathi ayabulala the last punishment kulamakambo wonke lamakhe
execution
yeah but execute but ngendlela ehlukile like ama big 5 sokuvala ngengobo suffocate until uhambe no fingerprints on you no touching no nothing but you dead and they put you on your bed in the morning you don't wake up we wake up tina ready for breakfast bare vuga kirikiti bara dead who did this do
nobody
o tla ibona voicemail ya mampela ushwele fanaka epongwene lo traumatize yana hana o dula o le one tlo hlanya o tla bo o ishang ka reng ke be ba o tloella o tla dula o le one ko heno plus mama sinsa ntsa go dule ka tlung a kege wena ona le ditaelo ntse go mama o fu yang abuse o funa ngayo bona bangani bang o tla o ishang ka reng ke bo mamela mama o clean ntwana o tla skela oba le mama lo spana da wa clean le yena mo spana nte a ona le ntja o phuthe masepadi ntja ntwanaka le mama maybe o phutha masepadi ntja kena kwa wa bona so ha re tloeleng o tshigela batswadi ba rona le batho be re ba ratang nomoro e etsa jwalo basically bafethu South Africans nomoro e etsa hore o jigele batho bo ba ratang le ba o ratang le ba o tswala le ba o tswalwang le bona o jigele le mahlosi ya hao how so ba bitsa Ngeleketjana ba bitsa Nongoloza ba bitsa Adolf Hitler ba bitsa King Charles ba gabatse ha ba tsebe bafethu batho bao Hitler wa tifa ka re suwa ka bana ntse re dlala ka bana ba Hitler ka bana ntse re dlala ka senemi ya bana ba bona but Dr. Gray there was Dr. Gray not here in South Africa
yes very far
very far gona go tlele ntse leo fela abo Dr. Gray Queen of London they were Queen of London they are Queens of London gona re ipitsa ka bona just imagine bafethu wa bona o jigela everyone o jigela everything at the same time you put your life in danger at the same time it's like you don't have a vision right all ba bangata ba nkile nomoro wa bona we regret that so bafethu tona tsaka batswadi baka ha re sebetseng kaofela re gaoleng nomoro plus nna ke bua it's like You are getting them from the horse's mouth. When I was there, nekele age eo e nyane eo, ne ke bona ntho tseo. I was at risk of those things. Young child, bafethu, kwesinye isikhathi sizokhula. Share lama video. Batshele kwamanye ama-province batshele tshela ikhazini yakho tshela igrotman lakho ntwana yami uyabona sikwazi ukufunda bafowethu sikwazi ukubambisana no one is guilty no one is innocent we are all the same let us fight for a common ground re na le problem e one rich or poor re na le problem e one ska tshepa tšhelete haholo trust your mind ona le mo tšhelete e sa bue wa e bona ya matlala e kwetse molomo no tšhelete wa e bona thank you very much bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu mani support yabo khulisani le podcast this is the most important podcast in the whole world asikhuliseni bafethu sikhuleni sonke it is building our nation it is building the nation this podcast and it's my way of saying I apologize for all the bad that I did for this nation of South Africa, my beloved nation. Thank you very much. What do you want to say, my brother? What do you want to say?
Listen here.
Where?
Oh, never mind.
Okay, my brother, come on. Thank you very much. Hey ngibuyile ngicishe ngakhohlwa bafethu ngifuna ukuthi uzwe ukuthi mawumuntu onamanga bese uyabanjwa masowubuya ubuya sonjani ubuya sowuthini awulalele leyo tamko
Hi maphoza wase TV Mr. Chupika yebo bafethu ngikhuluma ngokuzithoba nangenhleze ebhlungu bafethu kahle le video ngibhekise ku Skim GP isolichoshwa libhekile ungathi ubhekile uphandlwe so ngiyaxolisa kakhulu mfethu December na January ngenze ivideo ngawe Skim GP promote crime mfethu bengikhulumisa ukukwata nawe bengekuhlala ungakwati Skim GP I remember ngifuna nabantu ba understand ukuthi why bengikhuluma so and why futhi ngixolisa kuwe because ngiyazi ngikhulume kabi kuwe yabona Skim GP ngikwenzela ivoice note ngathi Skim GP ukuthi sengithola isite lapho futhi ukwenza car wash ngathi Skim GP Hotman lam ngivule i-car wash so angakayivuli ngishoda ngesale laphezulu inet ngishoda ne-hose pipe wathi kimi maphoza mfethu ucabanga into enhle kabi mfethu yazi uyangichaza umuntu makacabanga into enhle angacabanga ubutsotsi maphoza ngoba bekuyi-Sunday wathi kimi ngicela sikhulume Monday afternoon uyabona ngathi ayishap Skim GP Monday ngaku-WhatsApp Skim GP azange usaphendula ama-calls wami ngama-WhatsApp ungiphendule kwi-Wednesday wabe soyalwa ke nami maphoza nini indoda noma sibhizi nina nisabona ukuthi umuntu ubhizi ngathi uSkim GP maka ngikhulume mosinayi kahle ngathi Skim GP ngicela i-hose pipe wena ngokwathi hayi no ngizoyisolve ngizolithenga ipipe maphoza uyabona nami bekuphatheka kabi and lokucela kwami ngicela ngiyazi because uSkim GP une foundation Skim GP Foundation to Skim GP akangixhase ezinye ex-convict ngibuye ejele and singihamba ama-podcast wakho kayi-2 so ngidinga usizo kahle yabo ukuthi nami ngiziphakamele uyabona so ke uthe mangiphendula kanjalo kabi ke nami ke ngabe sengiyakwata ke Skim GP nami ngumuntu nginemizwa ngabe sengiyabhala ke ngenza ivideo maphoza wase TV sethu be Skim GP ya promote crime 1 2 3 yabona lo bengikhulumisa ukukwata Skim GP ngicela idlishiyele mfethu Skim GP kahle guys angenzeli nina everyone lana I know ukuthi 1 2 3 ngikhuluma no Skim GP lana I know nabalandeli baka Skim GP bebephatheke kabi Skim GP uyazwe out yami mfethu but ngiyaxolisa mfethu yabona noma ngakalithola isale ne hose pipe leyo but it's fine Skim GP ayidlishiyele mfethu ngixolisa nakubalandeli baka Skim GP everyone olana Skim GP hadi mfethu bengikhulumisa ukukwata mfethu ukwatile vele bengisaphathi sengiright manje ngishap ngiyout but I hope le video izohlala kahle enhlizweni yakho bafethu noma abantu bebese bangijutha abanye mabhoza azethi sikuthengela ama camera mfethu mabhoza ngena uSkim GP yenza ipodcast ubuyele kuye ngamasimba 1 2 3 but je Skim GP I'm out mfethu danko.